Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and uncover the fascinating stories that surround us. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share another captivating tale with you today. As we embark on this journey, let's venture into the frozen tundra of the Arctic, where a team of researchers has made a groundbreaking discovery. They've been studying the intricate web of life in the Arctic ecosystem, and their findings have shed new light on the transport of legacy mercury into the region's food webs. Legacy mercury, for those who may not know, refers to the toxic substance that was released into the environment decades ago, often as a result of human activities such as industrial processes and fossil fuel burning. This mercury can persist in the environment for centuries, accumulating in the tissues of animals and potentially causing harm to entire ecosystems. The researchers, led by Jen Sundergaard from Aarhus University, used stable isotopes to track the movement of legacy mercury through the Arctic food chain. They analyzed samples from various species, including marine mammals, fish, and seabirds, and found that the mercury was being transported into the region through ocean currents. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of the Arctic ecosystem and the impact of human activities on the environment. It suggests that the mercury pollution from decades past is still having a profound effect on the region's wildlife, and that the consequences of our actions can be felt far beyond the initial point of release. As we delve deeper into this story, we'll explore the complex relationships between the Arctic's marine life, the ocean currents, and the legacy mercury that's being transported through the ecosystem. We'll also examine the potential consequences of this discovery for conservation efforts and the management of Arctic resources. But for now, let's take a moment to appreciate the complexity and beauty of the natural world. The Arctic ecosystem is a delicate balance of species and processes, and understanding how it functions is crucial for preserving its integrity. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves in the rolling hills and rugged landscapes of northern England, where a most exciting sighting has taken place. After more than a decade, a golden eagle has been spotted soaring through the skies of Northumberland, a county that borders Scotland. This majestic bird, with its striking brown and gold plumage, has been identified as an eagle named Tala, and its presence has sent ripples of excitement among conservationists and scientists. As we delve into this story, let's set the scene: the remote countryside of Northumberland, where the wind whispers through the heather and the crags stretch towards the sky. It was here that Ian Glendinning, a conservationist working with red squirrels in the region, caught a glimpse of Tala perched on the end of a crag. I saw to my right, about 30 meters away, the golden eagle sitting on the end of the crag, he recounted. I immediately stopped, and it just spread its wings and lifted off into the wind and soared off behind the rocks. There was no doubt at all that it was a golden eagle. This sighting is not only a thrilling moment for wildlife enthusiasts, but also a significant one for conservation efforts. The golden eagle, with its impressive wingspan and piercing cry, has been absent from England for far too long. In fact, the species was completely wiped out in England and Wales in the 19th century due to targeted killings by farmers and pesticide poisoning. However, thanks to the tireless work of organizations like Restoring Upland Nature, which has translocated over 28 eagles from northern to southern Scotland, there is hope that these magnificent birds may once again thrive in English skies. Catherine Barlow, the chief executive of Restoring Upland Nature, shared her thoughts on this development. Young eagles explore far and wide in the first few years of life, looking for new territory, a mate, or for new feeding grounds. It is too early to say if the eagles will settle in England permanently, but hopefully in the future. As we consider the implications of Tala's presence in northern England, we're reminded that the journey towards conservation is often marked by small yet significant steps. The golden eagle, with its incredible diving speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour, plays a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. As an apex predator, it helps to regulate prey populations, ensuring that the delicate balance of nature is preserved. The return of this species to northern England would be a testament to the power of conservation, and the importance of reinstating these magnificent creatures to their rightful place in the skies. As we pause to reflect on this remarkable story, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the natural world. The golden eagle, with its regal presence and awe-inspiring flight, reminds us of the magic that awaits us just beyond our doorstep. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, I'd like to take you to a fascinating story of conservation and hope from Bangladesh. In a remarkable effort to protect its biodiversity, the country has embarked on an ambitious project to save 5 critically endangered plant species from extinction. Imagine walking through the lush forests of Bangladesh, surrounded by the vibrant colors and intricate details of orchids, palms, and trees that have been thriving for centuries. However, due to habitat loss, climate change, and human activities, many of these incredible plants are on the brink of disappearing forever. The Bangladesh Forest Department, in collaboration with the Bangladesh National Herbarium, National Botanical Garden, and UAE Bangladesh, has launched a groundbreaking initiative to conserve these species. The team is working tirelessly to multiply the plants using tissue culture methods, which, although time-consuming, have proven to be highly effective. Let's take a closer look at some of these incredible plants. The bulborox orchid, for instance, is a stunning example of nature's beauty, with its delicate white petals and vibrant green leaves. The small bulb orchid, on the other hand, boasts exquisite purple flowers that are a sight to behold. And then there's the dwarf date palm, which grows from seed and can be easily multiplied. But why is it so crucial to protect these plants? Well, my friends, plants play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Mercury. They provide oxygen, support other organisms, and even produce medicines, building materials, and biofuels. The loss of certain plant species could have far-reaching consequences, disrupting food chains and ecosystems. The conservation process is not without its challenges, however. Invasive plant species, such as the asamgak and lajabati, pose a significant threat to native species, outcompeting them for resources and disrupting ecosystem processes. But the team in Bangladesh is undeterred, working diligently to identify and mitigate these threats. As we reflect on this remarkable story, it's clear that conservation efforts like these are essential for maintaining the rich biodiversity of our planet. By supporting initiatives like this, we can help protect not only the plants themselves, but also the countless organisms that depend on them. So, what can you do to make a difference? Start by spreading awareness about the importance of plant conservation and the impact of human activities on the environment. Support organizations working tirelessly to protect our natural world, and consider making eco-friendly choices in your daily life. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.